Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the headset and environment. Plug the 3.5mm jack into your device or use the provided USB-C adapter for digital audio. This ensures best compatibility. Once connected, press and hold the power on the inline control to wake the unit and observe the LED so you know it's active. Make sure volume is low at first to avoid spikes. This initial connection establishes audio path and lets you confirm the headset is recognized before adjusting software settings. Now you configure audio and mic for clear sound. Open System Sound Settings and set Arctis Nova 1 as the default output and input device. This routes game and chat audio correctly. Then adjust the microphone level, start around -6 decibels, and raise to 0 if the voice is faint. Enable boost only if needed to avoid distortion. Once done, launch SteelSeries Sonar or your app to apply EQ and spatial audio profiles. Because tailored profiles improve clarity and position. Finish by verifying everything works in real situations. You should run a voice record and play back music or join a quick party chat to confirm mic gain and stereo balance. If audio drops or is intermittent, reseat the 3.5mm or USB-C connection and try another port. Faulty ports are common. If the headset is unresponsive, power it off and hold the button for 10 seconds to force a soft reset. This simple reset often clears pairing or firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.